What's up, everybody? Chef Seymour here, and today is Season 2, Episode 5 of Cooking with Chef Seymour. And since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, let's make some lamb chops and lobster. The ingredients will be listed on the screen like always. Let's make our side dish first. So here I have some asparagus. So what we want to do is we want to chop off the ends of the asparagus. Those aren't the good parts. Make sure to also wash your asparagus. And once you're done washing and cutting the ends off your asparagus, place them on your non-stick baking sheet, and you want to make sure that you spread them all out so they don't stick. And then we're gonna add some olive oil to go all around. Some pepper. Some garlic powder. And then a couple pinches of salt. Now look that cook in your 350 preheated oven to done or tender. And here are our lamb chops. So in these two bowls, I have our two flavors. In this bowl, I have our lemon basil vinaigrette marinated lamb chops, and then here I have our chimichurri marinated lamb chops. So here I have our chimichurri marinated lamb chops, some olive oil, and I'm gonna add some olive oil to our medium-sized cast iron skillet. Let that spread around. And then we are going to sear our lamb chops. Once one side turns golden brown, flip to the other side and let them sear for 2 minutes. Now, let's prepare our lobster. So here I have some blackened seasoning, our lobster tails, and some butter. So what I'm going to do is cut 2 slices of butter. Place them on top of our lobster tails. And then I'm gonna add some blackened seasoning to sprinkle on top to add some flavor. The end result should look like this. Now, let's place our lobsters in the oven. Cook till the shell has become red, or for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I have some Cajun seasoned shrimp to go along with our lamb and lobster. I'm gonna let this cook on medium heat till crispy, or till it looks done in our medium heat cast iron skillet. Now let's plate. Here I have our lamb chops. And I'm going to add our lobster tail. Some of our shrimp. And some asparagus. I'm gonna mix it around so that all that flavor gets on all of them. Sauce. let's make some cocktail sauce. You may be thinking, Chef Seymour, cocktail sauce is pretty simple. You're right, but I'm gonna take it up a notch. So here, I have half a tablespoon of horseradish, some ketchup, you can put your desired amount, some Cajun seasoning, and then some hot sauce. Now, let's mix. And there you have it, our spicy Cajun cocktail sauce, made by yours truly, Chef Seymour. Y'all, we're not gonna let these marinades go to waste. Marinades could also be used as sauce. So I'm gonna take our chimichurri marinade and put it on our lamb. And voila. Now, let's try. First, let's try our lamb. There we go. Nice medium rare. That's nice and tender. And the chimichurri has a little kick to it, but a little bit of that citrus from the lemon juice. Now we'll try a lobster. Ooh, this one's, it's flaky, it's tender. This lobster is so good. The butter just melts on it. And the blackened seasoning gives it a little kick. And then when you let it cook in the oven, it just gets all tender and flaky. And for our other seafood component, I have our Cajun seasoned shrimp. And I'm gonna dip it in our hot Cajun cocktail sauce. That, y'all should make this cocktail sauce. For all the people that love the spice, you should make this. And a little bit of the kick from that Cajun, you got yourself a good cocktail sauce right there. Finally, some of our asparagus. I like the asparagus cook to the point where the tops of it got crispy, and I'm a huge texture person, so that is an A+ for me. And then the oil, the salt and pepper and the garlic powder takes this asparagus up a notch. Very good. And before I sign off, I want to say a happy Valentine's Day to all of you watching. I wish you nothing but the best in this year. I love you guys, and I'm out.